forever with you.
Hey guys, so I decided last minute that I'm doing Vlogmas, but I'm only doing 12 days. Because that was stressful. I'll probably also vlog Christmas and like Christmas Eve. Or I might just do a bunch of random vlogs. But yeah, I'm about to take my little brother, Ricky, to McDonald's.
It's so warm outside.
He's not wearing a jacket.
It's really warm outside.
Anyway, yeah, it's snowing outside. And get your butt over here. Anyway, we're going to McDonald's. See you guys later. So, currently it is 3:04 p.m. We got here 40 something minutes ago. It's been almost an hour. I'm not happy. I'm fucking irritated. Okay, so I'm editing this, and I'd just like to state I did not complain to anyone about having to wait for almost an hour for food, because I don't like complaining to people who are trying to do their job. Granted, probably shouldn't have gone to McDonald's, but also it wasn't my choice to order it. My brother had already ordered it. So yeah, I just thought I'd make that known. I'm not a Karen. I was just really irritated and hungry. But yeah. I'm home now, thank freaking God. I'm cold. But I ate my food. And yeah. Okay guys, hey. So I'm down here in my family room under my nice soft new blanket that my friend Becca gave to me. Becca, if you're watching this, love you the most. Anyway, so I'm down here trying to keep warm because it's freezing in my room. Also writing a bunch of people Christmas cards. And then also, I got 2 packages in the mail today. I ordered a lot of stuff in last week. In all honesty, I've spent about maybe $300. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do a little haul. So first off, there's this blanket, it's like really soft, from Amazon. I got this yesterday. Oh my gosh, it's literally the softest thing ever. So I'm obsessed with this. And then I got this button-up short sleeve shirt from Brandy Melville. I was expecting it to be like a bit brighter. I mean, that's fine. I'll still wear it, obviously, yeah. But I've always wanted a shirt like this, and my sister has shirts like this. And I feel bad for always asking if I could borrow her shirt, because I don't really have any cute clothes. And then next is this Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's. I got it from Ulta. I still have like the packaging and everything over like there on the table, just in case. Like, let's say I got this and it's broken. I hope it's not. I don't want to damage the boxing or break my freaking nail. Jeez. There. Jeez. Ew. Box. This is what the highlight palette looks like. I open it. I'm gonna open it. It's so pretty. Oh. Yeah, I got this. I'm glad it's not broken. The highlight that I used, James Charles Morphe palette, and I hit pan on the highlighting shade that I use, face. But yeah, anyway, I have my markers here, and I have my envelopes and cards. And I'm gonna start writing people Christmas gifts. Hopefully I don't run out of cards for people. I don't want to go through this entire thing. Well, we're gonna write at least some for people, because that's what I normally do. I normally, for the last, I'd say 4 years now, I've written Christmas cards for all my friends. I just do it out of kindness, because like it's the holidays and like it can make someone's day. Although it'd be nice if I got maybe something in return, but it's the season of giving. Yeah, I'm gonna write these. Yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm just chilling in the dark right now. I was watching One Day at a Time for like the second time because I'm bored and I have nothing else to do. I took a break from writing, well, I didn't write cards yet, but I did envelopes. I need to go to the store sometime this week and get stamps. Well, not the store, I need to go to the post office, get stamps. I need to go to the store and get stuff from my friend Haley because we're doing a, we're each getting each other a holiday care package thing. We were supposed to see each other for Christmas, but Rona kind of ruined that, so yeah. Like, I know I shouldn't be like traveling, but like I don't want to be selfish because I've never been selfish, but at the same time I want to at least be a little bit selfish because everyone else has been. And it's not like I'm going out to parties or whatever. Like, we were gonna quarantine all for most of November into December until we got to meet up. Like, I never do anything. I never get to do anything. Cause I don't have friends around here. No one around here wants to hang out with me anyway. So it's like, yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna go live on TikTok. I'm wearing the blue top. I know, that I showed you guys earlier. Yeah. So I'm gonna go live. I'm not in the best mood right now because I'm lonely and I'm a little irritated. And I feel a little defeated. But I won't get into that because this isn't supposed to be depressing. But yeah, I'm a little upset right now. But I'm gonna go live on TikTok, see if that changes my mood. And yeah. I don't know what else there is to say. I guess I'll end today's video by showing you guys this little tree that my mom and I set up and put ornaments on the other day. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know if it's tomorrow or if it'll be in a few days. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this Vlogmas thing. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.